This is the reality of trying to clean. Realistically, what I look like right now, I'm a mess. My house is a mess. It's Mott Brothers room. Well, I was going to show you guys a really nice ASMR before and after, but that's not working out. This floor is not going to be perfect. Better than it once was, as Toby Keith would say. Oh, you're getting heavy. Nice and shiny. Now we just need to clean this up right here. And then hopefully I can get to the rest of my house. Right? Oh, great. I can't make this up. Those little feet. Ew. If I can at least get rid of these spots, that'll make me happy.